Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Delaware County and central New York, northeastern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Halstead, or 11 miles northeast of Montrose, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jackson, Susquehanna, Susquehanna Depot, Halstead, Hancock, New Milford, Great Bend, Ararat, Lanesboro, and Thompson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Wayne, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, northern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Westchester County in southeastern New York, southeastern Orange County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ringwood to Wayne, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Suffern and Floetsburg around 7:05 p.m. Ridgewood and Ramsey around 7:10 p.m. Mondsey around 7:15 p.m. Pomona around 7:20 p.m. New City and Nanuet around 7:25 p.m. Haverstraw and Tappan around 7:30 p.m. Warrensburg around 7:35 p.m. Peekskill and Dobbs Ferry around 7:40 p.m. This includes the following New York State COVID tent site: Anthony Wayne Rec Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen and Passaic, and the following counties in New York: Orange and Rockland.